This is a brand new 2014 Honda Odyssey. This minivan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a sunroof, heated seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, 7 intelligently positioned speakers, a leather-wrapped shift knob, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, steering wheel mounted controls, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.